Hi, are you consistently failing in the PT exam for your target score of 65 or 79? Or maybe you've already invested in a few coaching courses and they've charged you an arm and a leg, but you're still not getting your desired score. Or maybe you've prepared from YouTube or any other self-preparation websites. If you're looking for a PT specialist tutor, stick with me on this video. We are a leading PT course provider in Australia which focuses on getting scores for their clients in the shortest time. We also work exclusively with people who are not proficient in English and help them get their target score of 50, 65, or 79 plus. Here are a few common reasons why our students succeed in their first attempt. 1. We have expert English trainers, and I'm not just talking about someone who scored 90 in the PT exam. 2. Authentic and updated PT question bank, and there is a high chance of these questions being repeated in the actual exam. 3. Attempting mock exams that mimic the real exam to boost your confidence. And 4. We use new and updated templates, not the old ones, not the ones from 2014. In our online PT course, we will teach you all the 20 tasks of the PT exam and provide you with strategies, tips, tricks, and hacks that will help you get your target score. You will also have access to our practice website, which you can submit your responses and see your score for each answer. You will also be provided with 10 mock exams with updated questions, and you will also have an expert feedback on those mock exams. So if you want to know more about this course, click on the link.